Welcome to Forget Me Not Plant Shop Training. In this series, we'll cover basic and specialty plant care so that you are more confident in helping customers select the right plant for them. Orchids are one of our top-selling plants and our most returned plant. Why is this? Orchids require very specific care. However, by understanding the plant and observing changes in its leaves and roots, we can better understand what orchids need. In this video, we will cover sunlight and water. Orchids are tropical plants that usually grow under a dense tree canopy. They prefer bright, indirect sunlight for about 10 hours a day. East-facing windows usually work very well for this. Orchids do not like direct sunlight, so keep sheer curtains or blinds over windows that receive strong, direct sunlight. They also prefer warm weather, so keep the room between 65 and 85 degrees. Check the leaf color to see if they are thriving in the lighting environment. Dark green leaves means they need more sunlight. Yellow leaves means they need less direct sunlight. Orchids usually have exposed root systems, so they prefer air circulation and drying out between waterings. Check once a week to see if roots are dry. They will look light or gray in color, similar to this. Water deeply so that roots are fully saturated. A simple way to do this is to place the plant in its plastic container in a shallow dish of water for about 10 minutes or until the top of the soil substrate is wet. We don't recommend using ice cubes to water orchids because this can lead to chronic underwatering and the cold water can damage the plant. If the roots aren't drying out regularly, consider changing the planting substrate to something with more bark that holds less water. Orchids also enjoy humidity. You can mist the plant or keep them surrounded by other plants to increase the humidity. Well, we've only scratched the surface of orchid care. We hope you feel more comfortable caring for orchids and troubleshooting basic orchid issues with customers. Always remember to check the leaf color and root color for indicators of health in orchids. You can check out the rest of the plant troubleshooting resources on our learning page. Happy planting!